All right, it is that time. The Jilly Box 2025 Winter Edition just came in. Let's see what we got. It's a big, interesting box. She's deep. So what do we have inside? Okay. First up, Canvas N Decor. What do you think this is? Ooh, it is beautiful wreath. Gold berries, perfect for the holiday season, perfect for the winter season. She's a beauty. Oh, and we have our Kombi Mitts. I got the cocoa shade. Fit perfectly. There has been some comments about the sizing. I didn't actually even measure my hand. I just guesstimated what I needed. That worked out perfectly. These came in two colors. You didn't know which color you were going to get, but I got the cocoa brown and it also came in a cream. We have the Ember Wellness bestseller. It is hydrosol and facial oil. Haven't opened that yet. I will open and share that, but let's get through everything else. A candle from Planted, a botanical candle. Winter Dreams. Smells good, really pretty. We all need a candle in the wintertime. Oh, next up, we have Patchology eye gels. I eat a lot, don't I? Oh, not opening it. Serve chilled. That's so fun. Oh, I missed. I didn't actually open the book yet. I'll go over all this. Oh, and we came to a screeching halt because I forgot to go over the book. Can we just take a moment to admire this dress? Oh, if I could only look like that in this dress, but this style is probably my favorite formal attire. So now I'm going to be on the hunt for that dress. Anyway, what do we have inside? Again, I am going to restate, I really miss features that they used to have at the bottom, but it is what it is. So 7 of the brands women owned, 9 of the brands are Canadian owned, 2 of the products are actually made in Canada, and 2 of the brands are BIPOC owned. So that is always wonderful. Recipe this quarter is the pink polar bear hot chocolate. Gotta try that one. All right, so let's refresh a little bit and go back to our Patchology kit. $65 Canadian value. 30 biodegradable, certified, cruelty-free pair in each jar. Under eyes, stay refreshed, hydrated, and holiday ready all season. Well worth a shot, I do believe. The Ember Wellness kit, again, $86 retail value. It is their bestseller kit. You start with a spritz of the rose auto hydrosol, and then you follow it with the facial oil. It is woman-owned, Canadian brand, so that's pretty cool too. So I'll be trying this out and I'll share the results after I've used it for a while. Okay, our Planted Soy Candle Again, retail value $45. Winter Dream, or let's see, they had Fallen Snow or Winter Dream. Fallen Snow is crisp black spruce, frosted pine, and juniper berry. Winter Dream is a lavender, rosewood, and vanilla. And how do they always know to send me anything vanilla? Just saying. The Canvas N Decor Golden Berry Metal Wreath, retail value $59 Canadian. I'm really looking forward to finding a spot here in my home to put this up. Or I'll just keep moving around my home. Who knows? The Kombi Mitts. Again, the actual proper term for the two gorgeous colors. Moonstone or brown oak. And I got the brown oak. Moonstone would have gone a lot of my wardrobe, but this will definitely go with a lot as well. So very excited. All right, next up, is this the big item? This is the big item, and it is the Truvai jewelry. It is the Margot cuff bracelet, $120. Let's check it out. Haven't seen this yet, so never been a big bracelet person, but maybe I should. Oh, it's really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. I will try to zoom in up here. Let's put it on the watch one. Let's put it on its own. Beautiful little piece. Truth be told, I was hoping it was going to be a little pearl bracelet, but this one is lovely. Perfect for the holiday season. And then our final item. Oh, look at this. Is the Shae champagne bucket. Again, ooh. There was a little bit of controversy. Apparently, a few of the boxes came wet. Well, mine wasn't wet when I opened it. I can actually see there was some damage to the box, meaning it probably was wet and then dried out before I opened it up. There was a little bit of a smell, but guess what? It is a glass champagne bucket. It washes, and the smell is already dissipated from the first time I opened it. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to use this as a champagne bucket or if we'll just use it as a vase, but it actually does match perfectly. Vase, a little bud vase from a few boxes ago. Now, what do they say? The Shae champagne bucket, retail value $86. Dishwasher safe, that is awesome. Easy for cleanup. Who doesn't love that? So it's matches actually the bud vase that was in the spring 2024 Jilly Box. Ooh, I'll share it right up here how I'm using that currently. So that is the winter Jilly Box. There were a few add-ons. I didn't go with any of the add-ons this time. They had the Navo lashes, which are a press and go lash cluster. I was curious about that because who doesn't want longer lashes, but maybe next time. The Jilly Box Bespoke Christmas crackers. Those looked really fun. $55 value. Actual retail for $65. And who doesn't love a fun Christmas cracker? Another Day, the label had the long lounge set. And then there was also the Roots Jilly Box Kanga hoodie. Those were add-ons that you could get. Rest of the book is filled. Ember Wellness is featured. I gotta read through that. I haven't done that yet, shame on me. And then obviously some style from Jilly. Their holiday style guide. What to wear when you're cutting your tree. to holiday movie night, to holiday party glam, and then a little bit of holiday decorating 101 tips. Fun and so uniquely Jilly. I think let's talk about the little hearts on the tissue paper. Anyway, that is my winter Jilly box. It is a beautiful box. I'm not overwhelmed, but I'm not underwhelmed either. So lots of fun stuff and a lot of stuff that I will actually practically use around the house. Obviously the wreath, the mitts, candle, those you see every day. The Shae bucket I will obviously be using. I've never been big on eye patches, under eye patches, but I think I should start. So we're gonna try both of these out and share our results later. Anyway, this is Linda from A Labor of Life. Thanks for staying with us through the unboxing. Put any comments down below, any questions you might have about the box or any of the products in it, and I will see you on the net.